Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Feed Women, where my main goal is to help women become more self aware so that they can live a healthy, balanced, and vibrant quality of life with tips, strategies, and actionable activities. Due to high demand of meditation, I am beginning this mindful meditation series. Today, we are going to focus on finding your breath. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is find a comfortable seat that can help you stay in meditation for a few minutes without discomfort, preferably sitting. Now that you have found your comfortable seating, gently begin to close your eyes and minimize any type of distractions that may be in your surroundings. Start to focus on your stomach. Relax your muscles and tune into the rise and fall as you breathe. Take a few breaths, focusing on the rise and fall of your stomach as you inhale and exhale. Now focus on your chest as your lungs expand and you breathe in, and as they go down as you exhale. Try to focus on your chest for a little bit, following the movement as you inhale and exhale. Now bring your attention to your nostrils. Take a deep breath in. Do you notice wind going up into your nostrils? What about exhaling? Do you notice wind passing through your nostrils and slightly going over your upper lip? Focus on that feeling for a few minutes. Now focus your breathing on the area that keeps your mind focused the most. Is it your stomach, chest, or nostrils? If your mind begins to wander off to other thoughts, just bring it back to one of those three locations. We will stay here focused on breathing for about 2 minutes. Congratulations on staying focused on your breathing during this meditation. It's not an easy task, but you were able to stay on course as much as possible. I encourage you to continue your awareness of your breath. This is a great way to stay in tune with your body and help you remain in the present. Listen to this meditation as many times as needed in order to focus on your breathing. If you enjoyed this meditation, please subscribe, like, and share. Make sure to turn on the notification to be notified when I post the next meditation in this series. I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye-bye now.